Hello everybody, you're watching Live with B-Man Dan. It has been a long time since I've done a live video on bee removals, mainly because I've been getting pretty much nothing but wasp hive removal jobs, so whatever. But I'm really excited about this job. The beehive is in this sign way up here, about 60 feet up in the air. It's right off of I-10 out in Sealy. If you guys are in this area, you probably have seen this before. So anyway, I'm really excited to get this hive removed. It's right underneath the fender well towards the rear. Now, some additional information here. They actually hired somebody else initially, and the guy showed up with a tow along lift that didn't get nearly as high, and then he decided that he was just going to spray all the bees. So you can see all these little specks on the ground here. These are all dead bees. And here's probably diatomaceous earth right there. So unfortunately, I don't think it's going to be as vigorous as I would like, and probably y'all as well. But it is what it is. But we got this lift right here. I'm gonna power it on. Get this underway. Get up there and see how things are looking. I already got the smoker going. So there's that. Come in here. All right. This thing probably needs to be moved forward a little bit. Alright, this is going to be a lot easier if I'm not extended all the way. I meant to bring my clamp along with me to hold this camera, but I forgot it, so I had to hold it by hand. Good grief, this thing has got some kick. Switch that over to turtle. Turtle. And even on turtle, this thing is fast. You gotta feather it. Alright, that should be good. Awesome view. So bring it in.
take a look.
Here, see some activity. Hive is right about there. Let's get some lift. Over. Now we're going to extend. Bring us closer. Anything we got to watch out for is make sure this basket doesn't hit this wall or this pipe. I'm just wiping sweat off my brow. This might be easier. I'll turn it around this way. That way I can put my hand down. I have to stare like right into the sun. Oh, this is as much of an angle as it goes. Which means I'm gonna have to back up. Well, back down we come. I'm gonna switch it back to rabbit so we can get down faster. Rabbit speed, it sure is pretty slow. It's bucking me like a rodeo just a minute ago whenever I was moving it. I guess that's just for the tires. Trying really hard to ease into this thing because it is like slinging me around like it wants to throw me out. It's a little close to that, so I'm gonna the problem is I'm used to the last boom lift that I used, and you would give that thing full throttle and it would barely move. And I'm just kind of, instinctively expecting the same from this one. Alright, that should be good. Back around. I'm actually using the camera to navigate myself, because otherwise I gotta stare into the sun. See that light pole? And the watch out for that. That's probably going to be the most challenge getting around. This thing extends mega slow. I'd like to get to the hive sometime today. Well, apparently that's fully extended. So I have to come down again. Are you sure this thing can't go further? I feel like 60 feet. All right. Appreciate you guys checking this out. I will be recording with another camera with the best footage, and I will be uploading that onto TikTok as well as YouTube. YouTube is going to be longer, obviously. TikTok, they only allow 3 minutes, so it's going to be kind of hard to get all the excitement. Man, I wish there was a way for this phone to hold itself. You know, I'm starting to wonder if this thing will even reach. Alright, we're getting pretty close now. Now I was warned that there was apparently some wasp nests up here, so I gotta keep an eye out for that. This is gonna be tricky. Easy does it. That should do it. Alright, let's have a look. Okay. So, yeah, it looks like most of the hive is dead. You see all that poison dying Nation's Earth that he used. So, and this wasn't what the client wanted either. The client wanted a live extraction. Because when they spoke with me, I made it pretty clear to them that unless you remove this honeycomb, the honeybees will continuously come back. And so you have to have them physically removed. And live extraction always is hands down the best method because it prevents them from spreading out into other sections. If you're doing it right, they're more docile and calm. The exception to the case is Africanized honeybees, which are also known as killer honeybees. Those are the only ones that you give my blessing to eradicate, because they've been known to kill horses. They're not fun, and I've dealt with them. They're mean. So now I don't know if it goes into this little area and that way. I have no idea. But it looks like everything is on the bottom side. I'm going to try very carefully to lift this camera through that little crack to make sure that there's nothing above it. I don't think I can reach. Too short. Let's get a little bit of height. Gotta watch out for these tires. Oh, I gotta press the pedal. Alright. That should be more than enough. Let's flip this camera back around, take a look. I couldn't see, so if anybody wants to comment whether or not they were there, I don't see anything, so I'm pretty confident that there's nothing. Alright. Well, so I brought my smoker up, but I don't think we're going to be needing it. From what they described, they said that all the bees came to the ground, they were hovering, and then they were in one big giant ball down below, and then they moved on, which to me it sounds like he killed the queen. They followed her down because they could still smell her even though she's dead. And then they group up and then they decide to leave. So, but yeah, look at that. How many people do you know that have removed a beehive from a semi truck 60 feet in the air? I mean, this is freaking cool. Alright. Comes back around. I should have came up with my scraping tool. But honestly, they just roll right off, so I also probably should have came up with a can. to put it in. Well, where are those wasp nests that guy was talking about? I don't see none of that. Well, yeah, whatever. Start doing it by hand. No need to go all the way down for a piece of equipment that I can do just as effectively with my own hand. Although now we're getting into this tougher part, so yeah, maybe I will need to go get it. All the honey's been robbed out, so there's none of that. That had water in it, actually. Y'all see how brittle this is? This happens when there's no hive to manage the bees. Because they maintain a moisture within these, and so when they're gone, it just gets dry and brittle. All right. Well, going back down. Gotta duck under these tires. Alright, so what I'm going to actually do, so I don't have to do the actual extension, so I'm going to come out sideways. If I can turn this camera around, come on. So I'm going to come out sideways, and then I'm going to come straight down. And there's my truck right there, so just gotta do a quick hop, grab my scraper, grab my trash can, and that should be pretty much all that I need. I don't even need my bee suit. There's not even a concern for that at this point. So yeah, to the guy who did a shoddy job and didn't even do it right. You suck. If you ever want to learn how to do a beehive removal properly, give me a call. I'll take you on one of my removals. All right. Here's the trash from a wasp hive removal that I did. Just turn it so y'all can see. There was a lot of nests. This thing weighs like 15 pounds. Anyway, y'all aren't here to. This is the customers. They wanted me to throw that away for them. No problem. Make sure that one's dead. All right. Round two. Up we go. Right underneath me. Very pretty blue though. I like that color. Yeah, we're in a semi-truck dealership. If you didn't notice on the sign that they sell used and new trucks. And you know, I would love one day to come back and purchase a semi-truck from them. Because I do want to get into agriculture pollination one day. But first I need the agricultural property where I can expand on my hives. And then I pretty much need about 1,500 hives to really justify. Turn the camera around. Alright. Swing around. I probably need to come a little bit lower. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come lower. Baby adjustments. Y'all see that spider? What's up, buddy? Come on, turn. This camera does not read my thumb very well. There we go. I gotta duck down under. You know, I was so busy looking up, I forgot to look down, and I am right over this light fixture. It does not get more forgiving than that. So easy, easy, easy. All right. See if I can extend it ever so slightly. Kind of got the wheel in my boom basket here. Oh, that's it. That's as far as I can go. All right. Hopefully this will be everything I need. I'll put these in here. Alright, a lot of these are going to fall on the ground. It is what it is. Oh man, this stuff is tough. I wish they had a hive tool that had a heating tip to melt through this. Because this stuff is tough. Ugh. You know what, truthfully, I'm gonna need two hands. Oh, would you look at that? There's a nest up here with an egg in it. Egg looks like it's gone bad. Whatever. Smoker's blowing smoke up at me. I should have left that down below since we don't need it. Alright. So truthfully, I need both hands, and I don't have any good places to put you guys. So I'm gonna end the video now, but thank you guys for watching. I will be doing a beehive removal later this evening, so hopefully there'll be live bees there and we can get some exciting action there. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Please take the time to like, comment, and subscribe. It does help tremendously. And be sure to take the time to check out my YouTube channel for, I guess, additional footage and things like that. Well, take care, guys.